During my 58th year, I developed this pain in my heart area. And there's heart disease in my family on my mom's side. All the women in my family, all my ancestors, died of heart attacks. So I knew at 58 there was a good possibility that I was prone to it, and I felt like it was angina, although I had never had it diagnosed. And being into complementary medicine and integrated medicine, I really did not want to get caught up in that whole allopathic medical model. And so I, quite honestly, I prayed for a solution. And at the time, a dear friend of mine was working with me on the show, and she was also the kind of gal that kept her eyes and ears open to see potential guests. And she came to me and she said, "You have got to have this woman on the show. You've got to read this book. It's called Sex, Lies, and Menopause, T.S. Wiley." So I read the book, and one of the first things that I discovered in reading the book is that taking progesterone in a cycle with estrogen would be a preventative for heart disease. I met T.S. Wiley. I really enjoyed her. I felt she was really brilliant. And I went on the protocol, and within a month, the pain that I had had in my heart region completely disappeared, completely. And it was very interesting because I hadn't had a period in 14 years. And the 28th day of my first month, I got my period, which just totally stunned me. And I was actually thrilled because I just felt like I had regained some of my youth and juiciness.